These are the tile selections Three Birds Renovations used in their recent Urban Farmhouse project, and here's why their choices worked so well. In the ensuite, they chose the bar and travertine look ivory matte tiles. Given the huge area, using large format tiles was a no-brainer, and they paired this with the Arawara cream colour cutter look tile to introduce classic forms into the space. For the alfresco area, they selected the C4 travertine look beige matte tiles to maintain cohesion with the warmer tones indoors and to promote a seamless indoor-outdoor flow. For the study ensuite bathroom, they selected the Dunmore cream and grey stone look square tiles, creating a unique checkered design by alternating between the tiles. If you're wanting to elevate your own space, keep in mind that experimenting with tile layouts and arrangements can completely transform a room. The first kids' bathroom was a personal favourite. They combined the Newport gloss and matte bone mixed square tile finishes, which adds a whole new level of dimension to the space. Although typically sold separately, this innovative combination is sure to become a popular trend in future projects. The second kids' bathroom features the Thrill Diamond Terracotta look tile on all four walls. This encloses the space, making it feel cosy and homely. In the laundry, you'll find the Arawara cream cutter look tile alongside the Dunmore grey stone look square tile on the floor. Given that the space also functions as a mudroom, the detailed design of the tiles effectively hides dirt, which is super convenient for busy households with children running around. If you're wanting to replicate this beautifully curated urban farmhouse, purchase our sample packs now to receive $10 off.